Hi, everyone. Welcome to the final class of our series, Conversational English for Beginners. Time flies when you're having fun. The class today is very short. I want you to take time to complete our final exam. The final exam helps to test your knowledge from the entire course. Go down to the description of the video, and as always, you will find a link to a document with the title Class Number 8. When you open the document, you will see Final Review. The final exam or the final review is similar to the original pretest, but it is longer. So you have more practice and more opportunities to test yourself. You will find activities on introductions, present tense practice, to be and to have, two of our most important verbs in English, around town vocabulary, with a few new words, but I think you will understand these. Many of them are cognates. So we want to match the job with the place. Where does each person work? Prepositions, jobs and interviews, and adjectives. I know you will do a great job. When you finish, you can open the next document with the title Class Number 8 Answers to check your understanding, your comprehension. When you finish, please feel free to share your results with me. I want to know that you did a great job and you feel more confident now than before. Let me know in the comments as usual or by email. Thank you so much for your participation in class. I can't wait to know the results from your final exam. I hope to see you around. As always, you can find me here on YouTube or on Instagram and TikTok. Remember, practice makes progress.